गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत नः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती दीनामवित्रयवधू गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय ॐ नमस्ते रुद्रमन्यव उदोध इषवे नमः नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यामुदते नमः याध इषुः शिवतमा शिवं बभूवते धनुः शिवा शरव्या यादवदयानो रुद्रमृदया यादे रुद्रशिवा धनुरघोरा भावगाशिनी तया नस्तनुवा छन्दमया गिरिजन्धाभिजागशीः यामिषं गिरिजन्धहस्ते विपश्यस्तवे शिवां गिरिददां कुरु माहि गुंसीः पुरुषं जगत् शिवेन वचसा ध्वा गिरिजाच्च वदामसि यदा नः सर्वमिज्जगदयक्ष्मगुं सुमना असद् अद्य वोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो देव्योऽभिषग् ऐकुश्च सर्वान् जम्बयन् सर्वाश्च यातु धान्यः असौ यस्थाम्रो अरुण उद बभ्रु सुमङ्गलः ये चेमागुं रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षु श्रीदासहस्रशो वैशागुं एदईमहे असौ यावसर्वदिनीरग्रीवो विलोहितः उदैनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः उदैनं विश्वा भूतानि सदृष्टो मृदयादिनः नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीदुषे अतो ये अस्य सद्वानोऽहं देव्यो करन्नमः प्रमुञ्चदन्वनस्तमुभयोराग्नियोज्याम् याश्च देहस्त इषवः परादा भगवो बभा अवदद्यदनुस्त्वगुं सहस्राक्षजलेषुरे ऋषियशल्यानां मुखा शिवो न सुमना भव विद्यं धनुः कवर्दिनो विजल्यो बाणवागुं उदा अनेशन्नस्येषव आपुरस्य निशं गदिः या देहेतिर्मीदुष्टमहस्ते बभूवते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्वदस्तमयक्ष्मया परिभुजा नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नाददाय कृष्णवे उभाभ्यामुदते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने परिदे धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणक्तु विश्वदः अतो य इषुदिष्टवारे अस्मन्निरेहिदम् नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिगाग्निघालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः। नमो हिरण्यबाहवे सेनानेदिजां जपदये नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनां पदये नमो नमः। सस्विञ्जराय द्विषेमदेवतीनां पदये नमो नमो बग्लुजाय विव्याधिनेनानां पदये नमो नमो हरिकेशायोपवीदिने पुष्टानां पदये नमो नमो भवस्य हेत्यै जगदां पदये नमो नमो रुद्राय ददाविने क्षेत्राणां पदये नमो नमः। सूदाय हन्याय वनानां पदये नमो नमो रोहिताय स्तपदये वृक्षाणां पदये नमो नमो मन्द्रिणे वाणिजाय कक्षाणां पदये नमो नमो भुवन्दये वारिवस्कृतायोषधीनां पदये नमो नमः। उच्चैकोशाय ग्रन्थयदे बद्धीनां पदये नमो नमः। कृत्स्नवीदाय दावदे सद्वनां पदये नमः। नमः सहमानाय निर्व्याधिन आव्याधिनीनां पदये नमो नमः। ककुवाय निषङ्गिने सेनानां पदये नमो नमो निषङ्गिन इषुधिमते तस्कराणां पदये नमो नमो वञ्जदे परिवञ्जदे स्थायूनां पदये नमो नमो निचेरवे परिचरायारण्यानां पदये नमो नमः। श्रीगाविभ्यो जिगावं मुष्णदां पदये नमो नमो सिमद्यो नक्तं चरद्यः प्रगन्धानां पदये नमो नमः। उष्णीषिणे गिरिचराय कुलुञ्जानां पदये नमो नमः। इषुमद्योदन्वावीर्यश्च वो नमो नमः। आदन्वानेभ्यः प्रतिददानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। आयच्छद्यो वृषजद्यश्च वो नमो नमो यद्यो विद्यद्यश्च वो नमो नमः। आसीनेभ्यश्च शयानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। स्वपद्यो जागृद्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तिष्ठद्यो दावद्यश्च वो नमो नमः। सभाव्यः सभावदीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो अश्वेभ्यो अश्वपदीभ्यश्च वो नमः। नम आव्यादिनीभ्यो विविद्यन्तीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। उगनाभ्यस्तृगं हदीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गृत्सेभ्यो गृत्सपदीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो व्रादेभ्यो व्रातपदीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूपेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो महद्यः शुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रतिभ्यो रदेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रदेभ्यो रदपदेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सेनानीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः क्षत्तर्भ्यः षण्गहीतर्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तक्षभ्यो रदधारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः कुलालेभ्यः कर्मारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः पुञ्जिष्टेभ्यो निषादेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः इषुकृद्यो धन्वकृद्यश्च वो नमो नमो मृगयुभ्यश्वनीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः कभ्यश्वपदीभ्यश्च वो नमः नमो भवाय च रुद्राय च नमः शर्वाय च पशुपतये च नमो नीलग्रीवाय च शितिगन्धाय च नमः कवर्दिने च युक्तगेजाय च नमः सहस्राक्षाय च शतधन्वने च नमो गिरिजाय च शिबिविष्टाय च नमो वीदुष्टमाय चेषुमते च नमो ह्रस्वाय च वामनाय च नमो बृहदे च वर्षीयसे च नमो वृद्धाय च समृद्ध्वने च नमो अग्र्याय च प्रथमाय च नमः आशवेजाजिराय च नमः शीघ्रियाय च शीभ्याय च नमः ऊर्म्याय च वस्वन्याय च नमः सोदस्याय च द्विभ्याय च नमो ज्येष्ठाय च कनिष्ठाय च नमः पूर्वजाय च वरजाय च नमो मध्यमाय च बगल्वाय च नमो जगन्याय च बुद्ध्याय च नमः सोऽभ्याय च प्रतिसर्याय च नमो याम्याय च क्षेम्याय च नमः उर्वर्याय च कल्याय च नमः लोक्याय च वदान्याय च नमो वन्याय च कक्ष्याय च नमः श्रवाय च प्रतिश्रवाय च नमः आजुषेणाय चाजुरदाय च नमः शूराय जावविन्धदे च नमो वर्मिणे च वरोदिने च नमो बिल्मिने च गवचिने च नमः स्तुताय च श्रुतसेनाय च नमो दुन्दुभ्याय च हनन्याय च नमो दृष्णवे च प्रमृजाय च नमो दूताय च प्रहिताय च नमो निषङ्गिने चेषुधिमते च नमस्तीक्ष्णे च वेचायुरिने च नमः स्वायुधाय च सुधन्वने च नमः कृत्याय च वद्याय च नमः काद्याय च नीप्याय च नमः सूद्याय च सरस्याय च नमो नाद्याय च वैजन्दाय च नमः कूप्याय च वत्याय च नमो वश्याय च वश्याय च नमो मेघ्याय च विद्युत्याय च नमः ईद्रियाय च दप्याय च नमो वाद्याय च रेश्मियाय च नमो वास्तव्याय च वास्तुवाय च ॐ हर 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 ॐ नमः सोमाय च रुद्राय च नमस्ताम्राय च अरुणाय च नमः शङ्गाय च पशुपतये च नमः उग्राय च भीमाय च नमो अग्रे वदाय च दूरे वदाय च नमो हन्त्रे जहनीयसे च नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यो नमस्ताराय नमः शम्भवे च मयोभवे च नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवधराय च नमः विद्याय च गुल्याय च नमः वार्याय च वार्याय च नमः प्रधरनाय चोदरनाय च नमः आधार्याय च लाद्याय च नमः चष्म्याय च विन्याय च नमः त्रिगद्याय च प्रवाह्याय च नमः ईरिण्याय च प्रपद्याय च नमः किगुंजिलाय च शयनाय च नमः कवर्दिने च पुलस्तये च नमो गोष्ट्याय च गृह्याय च नमस्तल्व्याय च गेह्याय च नमः काद्याय च गह्वरेस्ताय च नमो हृदयाय च निवेश्याय च नमः पागुंसव्याय च रजस्याय च नमः शुष्क्याय च हरित्याय च नमो लोप्याय चोलप्याय च नमः ऊर्याय च शून्याय च नमः पन्याय च पन्नशद्याय च नमो भगुरमानाय च विघ्नदे च नमः आगिरदे च प्रक्किरदे च नमो किरिकेभ्यो देवानागं हृदयेभ्यो नमो विक्षीणगेभ्यो नमो विचिन्वत्केभ्यो नमः निर्हदेभ्यो नमः आमिवत्केभ्यः द्रावे अन्नसस्वदे दरिद्रन्नीललोहिता येषां पुरुषाणामेषां पशूनां मा रोमो येषां किञ्चन ममद या ते रुद्र शिवा धनो शिवा विश्वः भेषजी शिवा रुद्रस्य भेषजी दयानो मृदजीवसे इमागुं रुद्राय तपसे कवर्दिने शयद्वीराय प्रवरामये मदिं यदा नश्यमसद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम् निदानो रुद्रोदनो मयस्कृतिक् शयद्वीराय नमसा विधीमदे यच्चं च योश्च मनुराय जे विदातदस्यामतवरुद्ध प्रणीदोः मानो महान्दमुदमानो अर्भकं मान उक्षन्दमुदमान उक्षिदम् मानो बलिः पितरं मोदमादरं प्रियमानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः मानस्तोकेदनये मान आयुषिमानो गोषुमानो अश्वेषुरीरिषः वीरान्मानो रुद्रवामिदो बलिर्हविष्मन्धो नमसा विधीमदे आराधे गोग्न उदुपूरुषग्ने क्षयद्वीराय त्वं नमस्मेरे अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधिजदेव ब्रूयदाशनः शर्म यच्छत् विवर्हाः स्तुहिश्वतं दत्त सदैयुवानं मृगन्न भीममुदमद्दुमुग्रम् विदाचरित्ये रुद्धस्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मन्निव बन्धुसेनाः परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतिर्विनक्तु परिवेशस्य दुर्मतिरगायोः अवस्थिरामगवद्वयस्तनुष्वामी वस्तोकायतनयाय मृदया मीदुष्टम शिवतम शिवो नः सुमना भव वरमे वृक्ष आयुधन्निदाय कृत्तिं वसान आचन विनागं बिभ्रदागहि विगिरिदविलोहित नमस्ते अस्तु भगवः यास्ते सहस्रगुं हेदयोन्यमस्मन्निव बन्धुदाः सहस्राणि सहस्रदा बाहुवोस्तव हेतयः तासामीशानो भगवः पराचीनामुपगृधि सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् तेजागुं सहस्रयोजने वदन्वानि दन्मसि अस्मिन् महज्जर्नवेन्दरिक्षे भवारि नीरग्रीवाशिरिगन्धा शर्वादः क्षमाचराः नीरग्रीवाशिरिगन्धादिवगुं रुद्र उपश्रिताः ये वृक्षेषु तस्मिन् जरा नीरग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिकाश कवर्दिनः ये अन्येषु विविद्यन्ति पात्रेषु विवदो जनान् ये वदाम्बदिलक्षलैरभृदायव्युदः ये देदानि व्रजरन्ति शिखाबन्धो निषङ्गिनः य एतावन्तस्य भूयागुंसश्च दिशो रुद्राभिदस्थिरे तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वदन्वानि दन्मसि नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यां येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं द्वादो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचे दश दक्षिणा दश प्रदीचे दशोदीचे दशोद्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृदयन्तु देयम् विष्मो यश्च नोद्वेष्टितं भो चम्बे ददामि त्र्यम्बके यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् यो रुद्रो अग्नो यो अप्सु य ओषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु ये ते सहस्रमयुधं वाजा मृत्यो मध्याय हन्धवे तान्यज्ञस्य मायया सर्वानवयजामहे मृत्यवे स्वाहा मृत्यवे स्वाहा प्राणानां ग्रन्थिरसि रुद्रो माविशान्तकः तेनानेनाभ्ययस्व नमो रुद्राय विष्णवे मृत्युर्मे भाहि तमुस्तु हि यस्विषु सुदन्वायो विश्वस्य च यदि वेषजस्य यक्ष्वा महेशो मनसाय रुद्रं नमो बिर्देवसुरं दुवस्य अयं मे हस्तो भगवान् अयं मे भगवत्तरः अयं मे विश्ववेशजो यगुं शिवा विमरुशनः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः सञ्जमे मयश्च मे प्रियं च मे नुकामश्च मे कामश्च मे सोमनसश्च मे भद्रं च मे श्रेयश्च मे वश्यश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे दविनं च मे यन्दा च मे दर्दा च मे क्षेमश्च मे दिदिश्च मे विश्वं च मे महश्च मे संदिच्च मे ज्ञातं च मे सुश्च मे भ्रसुश्च मे क्षीरं च मे लयश्च मर्दं च मे मृदं च मे यक्ष्मं च मे नामयच्च मे जीवादुश्च मे दीर्घायुध्वं च मे नमित्रं च मे भयं च मे सुखं च मे शयनं च मे सुजा च मे सुदिनं च मे ॐ ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। स्वस्तिः प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महिषाः। गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम्। समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका। गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका। गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका। गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका। सिद्धिदाता शिवतनया सिद्धिदाता शिवतनया। सिद्धिदाता शिवतनया सिद्धिदाता शिवतनया। सिद्धिप्रदायक गजानना सिद्धिप्रदायक गजानना। साई सिद्धिप्रदायक गजानना साई सिद्धिप्रदायक गजानना। पार्वती नन्दन भवभयभञ्जन पार्वती नन्दन भवभयभञ्जन। पार्वती नन्दन भवभयभञ्जन पार्वती नन्दन भवभयभञ्जन। युग युग वन्दित जय श्री गणेश युग युग वन्दित जय श्री गणेश। युग युग वन्दित साई गणेश युग युग वन्दित साई गणेश। गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका। गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका। सिद्धिदाता शिवतनया सिद्धिदाता शिवतनया। सिद्धिप्रदायक गजानना साई सिद्धिप्रदायक गजानना। पार्वती नन्दन भवभयभञ्जन पार्वती नन्दन भवभयभञ्जन। युग युग वन्दित जय श्री गणेश युग युग वन्दित जय श्री गणेश। युग युग वन्दित साई गणेश गणेश युग युग वंदित साई गणेश वदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका
गुरु बाबा 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 शरण नमोस्तुत गुरु बाबा शरण नमोस्तुत गुरु बाबा शरण नमोस्तुत गुरु बाबा शरण नमोस्तुत गुरु बाबा विद्यादायक गुरु बाबा विद्यादायक गुरु बाबा विद्यादायक गुरु बाबा विद्यादायक गुरु बाबा शांत स्वरूपा गुरु बाबा शांत स्वरूपा गुरु बाबा शांत स्वरूपा गुरु बाबा शांत स्वरूपा गुरु बाबा गुरुवर गुरुवर गुरु बाबा गुरुवर गुरुवर गुरु बाबा गुरुवर गुरुवर गुरु बाबा गुरुवर गुरुवर गुरु बाबा गुरु बाबा गुरु बाबा गुरु बाबा गुरु बाबा शरण नमोस्तुत गुरु बाबा शरण नमोस्तुत गुरु बाबा विद्यादायक गुरु बाबा विद्यादायक गुरु बाबा शांत स्वरूपा गुरु बाबा शांत स्वरूपा गुरु बाबा गुरुवर गुरुवर गुरु बाबा गुरुवर गुरुवर गुरु बाबा गुरुवर गुरुवर गुरु बाबा गुरुवर गुरुवर गुरु बाबा गुरु बाबा गुरु बाबा
सत्यस्वरूपिणी मा साई प्रेम स्वरूपिणी मा सत्यस्वरूपिणी मा साई प्रेम स्वरूपिणी मा परमानन्ददायिनी हृदय विहारिणि पर्तिनिवासिनि मा परमानन्ददायिनी हृदय विहारिणि पर्तिनिवासिनि मा विघ्नविनाशिनि भवभयहारिणि कालिकपालिनि मा विघ्नविनाशिनि भवभयहारिणि कालिकपालिनि मा हे त्रिभुवनधारिणि मङ्गलकारिणि मोक्षप्रदायिनि मा हे त्रिभुवनधारिणि मङ्गलकारिणि मोक्षप्रदायिनि मा परमानन्ददायिनि हृदय विहारिणि पर्तिनिवासिनि मा परमानन्ददायिनि हृदय विहारिणि पर्तिनिवासिनि मा सत्यस्वरूपिणि मा साई प्रेम स्वरूपिणि मा परमानन्ददायिनि हृदय विहारिणि पर्तिनिवासिनि मा विघ्नविनाशिनि भवभयहारिणि कालिकपालिनि मा हे त्रिभुवनधारिणि मङ्गलकारिणि मोक्षप्रदायिनि मा परमानन्ददायिनि हृदय विहारिणि पर्तिनिवासिनि मा परमानन्ददायिनि हृदय विहारिणि पर्तिनिवासिनि मा सत्यस्वरूपिणि मा साई प्रेम स्वरूपिणि मा
गोविंदा गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी
गोविंदा गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी
गोविंदा गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी
गोविंदा गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी
गोविंदा गोपाल हृदय विहारी
गोविंदा गोपाल हृदय विहारी
गोविंदा गोपाल हृदय विहारी
गोविंदा गोपाल हृदय विहारी
गोविंदा गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी
गोविंदा गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी
नंद कुमारा नवनीत चोरा
नंद कुमारा नवनीत चोरा
नंद कुमारा नवनीत चोरा
नंद कुमारा नवनीत चोरा
करती विहारा बराचित चोरा
करती विहारा बराचित चोरा
हृदय विहारा बराचित चोरा
हृदय विहारा बराचित चोरा
गोविंदा गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी
गोविंदा गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी
गोविंदा गोपाल हृदय विहारी
गोविंदा गोपाल हृदय विहारी
गोविंदा गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी
गोविंदा गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी
नंद कुमारा नवनीत चोरा
नंद कुमारा नवनीत चोरा
करती विहारा बराचित चोरा
करती विहारा बराचित चोरा
हृदय विहारा बराचित चोरा
हृदय विहारा बराचित चोरा
गोविंदा गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी
रास विनोदानंद
राम कृष्ण वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि
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 विश्वरूप 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 वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि
नारायण हरि हरि ओम 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 नारायण हरि हरि
विश्वरूप वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि
विश्वरूप वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि
विश्वरूप साई देव नारायण हरि हरि
विश्वरूप साई देव नारायण हरि हरि
राम कृष्ण वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि
राम कृष्ण वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि
विश्वरूप वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि
विश्वरूप वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि
नारायण हरि हरि ओम नारायण हरि हरि
नारायण हरि हरि ओम नारायण हरि हरि
विश्वरूप वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि
विश्वरूप वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि
विश्वरूप साई देव नारायण हरि हरि
विश्वरूप साई देव नारायण हरि हरि
राम कृष्ण वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि
राम राम साई राम
राम साई राम
राम राम साई राम
राम राम साई राम
परति पुरीशा साई राम
भक्ति पुरीशा साई राम
परति पुरीशा साई राम
भक्ति पुरीशा साई राम
राम राम साई राम
राम राम साई राम
मधुर मनोहर सुंदर नाम
मधुर मनोहर सुंदर राम
मधुर मनोहर सुंदर नाम
मधुर मनोहर सुंदर राम
श्यामल कोमल नयन विराम
श्यामल कोमल नयन विराम
श्यामल कोमल नयन विराम
श्यामल कोमल नयन विराम
रविकुल मंदन रांझन राम
रविकुल मंदन रांझन राम
रविकुल मंदन रांझन राम
रविकुल मंदन रांझन राम
परम पावना मंगल धाम
परम पावना मंगल राम
परम पावना मंगल धाम
परम पावना मंगल राम
राम राम साई राम
राम राम साई राम
परति पुरीशा साई राम
भक्ति पुरीशा साई राम
राम राम साई राम
राम राम साई राम
मधुर मनोहर सुंदर राम
मधुर मनोहर सुंदर राम
श्यामल कोमल नयन विराम
श्यामल कोमल नयन विराम
रविकुल मंदन रांझन राम
रविकुल मंदन रांझन राम
परम पावना मंगल धाम
परम पावना मंगल राम
परम पावना मंगल धाम
परम पावना मंगल राम
राम राम साई राम राम कहो कृष्ण कहो ईश्वर अल्लाह साई कहो।
ॐ तत्सत् श्रीनारायण तु पुरुषोत्तम गुरुतु सिद्धबुद्ध तु स्कन्द विनायक सविता पावक तु सविता पावक तु ब्रह्ममज्ज तु यहोव शक्ति तु येषु पिता प्रभु तु रुद्र विष्णु तु राम कृष्ण तु रहीमताओ तु रहीमताओ तु वासुदेव गो विश्वरूप तु चिदानंद हरि तु अद्वितीय तु अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिव तु आत्मलिंग शिव तु आत्मलिंग शिव तु। असतो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया। शांति शांति शांति।
I offer my most reverential pranams at the lotus feet of our beloved Bhagavan Baba and my loving Om Sai Rams, dear elders, brothers and sisters, and Sai blossoms. The Go Green infographic for this week is: what does nature tell us? Nature works relentlessly. The earth rotates on its axis at the speed of 1,000 miles per hour. We must think of its implication. Due to this rotation, we get days and nights. People in the world labor all day and get rest at night. Similarly, all beings on earth find rest at night. Even animals, birds, worms, and insects rest at night. The earth revolves round the sun at a speed of 66,000 miles per hour. As a result of this, we have seasons. Due to seasons, we have crops. Because of crops, we have food. The earth does relentless work to provide us food. Satya Sai Speaks, Volume 30, 1997. For this beautiful morning, we have a dear sister who will share her experience on the 108 gems.
Loving Sai Ram, I chose the gem Om Shri Sai Sarva Rogani Varane Namaha, which means who is remover of all diseases, destroyer of the cycle of birth and death. This gem holds a special place in my heart because back in 2018, I experienced a major loss during one of the most important years of my schooling career. It was my matric year. In early January 2018, my grandfather's lungs began to fail. I remembered a mantra that I had learned back in Bal Vikas. I constantly chanted the Om Triambaka mantra and prayed to our beloved Swami and Lord Shiva for his health, healing, and peace every time I was in his presence and in his absence. As the months went by, his condition got worse. Unfortunately, on July 3rd, 2018, my grandfather passed away. A few weeks after his passing, I was still having a difficult time processing and accepting that he is no longer here with me, as I kept having flashbacks to the last few moments I spent with him the day before his passing. Everything just felt so surreal. The grieving period made me feel alone, empty, depressed, and unmotivated to do anything. I spent countless of nights praying to Swami to heal both my family and myself from this pain. My days consisted of me waking up for school to just wanting to go back to sleep. It was not until the beginning of August that the reality of everything had hit me. My trial examinations were to begin in a month's time, and finals were so close by, and I wasn't even half as prepared as I planned to be at this point of the year. The last month of me attending school and tuitions was a complete blur. At this point, I began to panic. My chest began to tighten, and I became overwhelmed with thoughts and feelings, such as everything felt out of control, everything around me was falling apart, and I had just ruined my future. I began asking Swami, why did this have to happen to me? Why did this have to happen now? After what seemed to be like an hour-long panic attack, I eventually fell asleep with both a heavy heart and mind. That night, I had a life-changing dream. I dreamt I was in a plane, and suddenly the pilot had lost control of the plane and he was about to crash. In the state of panic that I was in, I instantly began crying and calling for Swami to save us. Instantly, the pilot, who was an unknown face, became a familiar one. It was Swami. Swami had landed the plane safely with no damage at all. As I was already filled with tears, unable to speak, Swami had told me, "Why have fear when I'm in control?" Just as he disappeared into the light, I woke up the next day feeling much lighter than I did the night before, with a sense of contentment and control of what was going on around me. I had found the motivation that I had lost to achieve my set goals. I reset my timetable and put in the most hours of work that I could in the next couple of months, and achieved my bachelor's pass with a distinction. This experience with Swami, even though it may have just been a dream, made me remember that Swami is a real mastermind behind our lives. He controls everything, and he has a plan for us all. It may never go the way that we want it to. We may feel alone, or we may question, why us, why now, or we may have many other questions. But no, Swami knows what's best for us, and he is always hearing our pleas, watching us, and guiding us from above. As Swami says, why fear when I am here? Jai Sai Ram.
The announcements for this week are: every Sunday, morning prayers begin at 5:30 a.m. The Havan prayer at 7 a.m. Online regional devotional session at 7:30 a.m. The Veda chanting classes are at 9:15 a.m. National has suggested the Gayatri Mantra chanting daily at 9 p.m. as a build-up to Swami's birthday. Today, you will need to chant 24 times and tomorrow 25 times, increasing one day at a time until you reach 95 on Swami's birthday. For more information, please contact your Center Devotional Coordinator. The 24-hour Gayatri chanting takes place on the 19th of September. Refer to the schedule for the chanting times, and for more information, please contact your Center Ladies Wing Coordinator. Please note, Balvikas continues every Friday. A reminder that we are currently working on the Group 2 and Group 3 speech festivals. We encourage all our Balvika students to participate in this program. Children are welcome to use the karaoke link sent out for the bhajans, and these will be used for our upcoming programs. We encourage our children to continue with Likit Japa, making of eco bricks, and the collection of bread clips and bottle caps. For more information, you may please contact the relevant gurus and your center education coordinator. The Seva Wing. 120 packets of assorted seeds distributed to the centers for Go Green. 1,100 meals were distributed in our Region Sai kitchen this past Sunday. Centers are to continue with making of eco bricks. Please note that every Saturday there is a cleaning of vegetables at the Satya Sai Retreat Reservoir Hills from 2 to 5 p.m. and the cooking of the meals takes place on Sundays from 5 a.m. For those of you who are interested in participating in the Seva, please contact your Center Seva coordinator. The young adults are participating with all the wings of the region, so for more information, please contact your Center Young Adult coordinator.
Sai Ram. I'm sure that all of us go through situations in life when we wonder why is such a thing happening to us. Days, weeks, months, years, and sometimes even decades pass and we are still stuck in that situation, facing a wall which doesn't seem to clear away at all. What I have learnt is that even the toughest and worst of such situations also have a meaning and purpose in our life. I would like to share a story and a personal experience with my beloved master Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba that I am sure will help us when we feel stuck in life. Ever since I got to know of Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba, I always wanted to enroll as a student in any of his educational institutions. And so in 1994, I tried to get admission in the Sri Satya Sai Primary School. But then as a policy, they don't take students in between. You join either grade 1 or directly at grade 11. And therefore, I didn't get admission. But I didn't want to go back to any other school other than Swami School. And that is how I landed at the Sri Satya Sai Vidyapeeth in Calicut, the state of Kerala. In this school, there were students from all around the country and even from neighboring countries like Nepal. These students came here mainly for the good education. They were not Swami's devotees. In fact, we Sai devotees were a minority in that school. And anytime there would be fights between a devotee and a non-devotee, the non-devotee would abuse Swami, knowing for sure that it hurts the devotee. We had to have a very high moral fiber and character, because any blot on that, it would get attributed to Swami. Now that is something to keep in mind always. Every night I would go and sit in the large prayer hall at Sri Shailam when nobody was there and cry out to Swami, Swami, I wanted to be with you as your student. Why have you got me to this place where they tease me, they abuse you, they scold you? Swami, please take me out of this hell. I was in the 8th grade in 1995 when I got an irresistible offer after I had won the Hindi elocution competition. Arvind, would you like to deliver a talk in Hindi in Bhagwan's presence at Prashanti Nilayam during this year's Onam? Now, Onam is a very important festival for the people of Kerala. Speaking in Swami's presence, it was an amazing offer and I jumped at it. I would be ready to speak even in French if needed, if it is in Swami's presence. Thus, fully prepared, I arrived to Puttaparthi for Onam. One day during Darshan, as Swami came near me, in my eagerness to show my speech to Swami, I offered that sheet of paper on which my entire speech was written. Swami looked at me, took that sheet of paper from me and walked away. I wasn't so perturbed because I knew the whole thing by heart. You could wake me up in the middle of the night and say Om Shri Sai Ram and I would start reeling out the entire speech. And on the Onam day, one of the chief guests who had to arrive for that function cancelled at the last moment and Swami was waiting for him for quite a while. And because it got late, he directly delivered his divine discourse, which meant that my speech had been cancelled. As Swami received Aarti and left, I was in tears. I wondered what had I done wrong that this opportunity I had got to go close to Swami had been snatched away from me, and by Swami himself. Things got worse when I returned back to the school, because in school now, all the boys had a new way of teasing me. This fellow thinks that he loves Swami and Swami loves him so much. Swami didn't want to hear him speak. So he is a sinner, he has done wrong things, he has angered the Lord. That's why Swami didn't give him an opportunity to speak. These were the new taunts that I had to hear. In an apparently lose-lose situation like this, I often remind myself of the Push story. The story goes that God once appeared before a devout man and asked him, "My dear one, I want you to do something for me. Will you?" "Absolutely, Lord. Your wish is my command." "You see that rock over there?" "Yes, I want you to push it." "You think that I can push it?" "Of course, I know you can." "Then Here I go. The man tried his best before finally giving up.
God! What is this cruel joke you're playing on me?
You cheated me, God. Why do you say so, my dear? Because you knew that I couldn't move that rock. And still you told me to push it? Yes, I told you to just push the rock. I never told you to move it, right? I don't understand. My dear one, I told you to push the rock to build you. Look at your biceps. Look at your triceps. Look at your calf muscles. Look at your thigh muscles. You have become so strong now. I told you to push the rock so that you can be built. Moving the rock is not a problem at all. I can move it anytime I want. When we face an unmovable rock or a wall in our life, all we need to do is just to persevere with our pushing. Now let's get back to my story. I got to know that 2 years later, again, there would be a slot open for a student to speak in Bhagwan's presence. And in order to ensure that I get that slot, I began to participate in all the extracurricular activities of the school. Elocution, Hindi, English, singing, a group song, mono action, dramatics, everything. In 1997, 2 years after the fiasco, once again, I got the opportunity to deliver a speech in Bhagwan's presence on Onam in Prasanthi Nilayam. That year, I wasn't denied my chance. As my name was called out, I got up and walked up to Bhagwan. I knelt, touched his lotus feet and looked at him. He looked into my eyes. I said, Swami, and his eyes beckoned me to ask what my heart longed for. All the 4 years of my life at Sri Shailam, I had wanted to ask him for a seat in his school at Prasanthi Nilayam. But what came out of my mouth that moment when his eyes met my eyes was something totally unexpected. Swami, all my life, please keep me with you. And Swami patted me on my shoulder and he said, yes, go and speak now. I went and delivered the speech. It was on autopilot mode because, as I said, I had thoroughly memorized it. And after the speech, once again I went and took namaskar and I said, Swami, please come to visit our school. Swami said, I will. And then I returned to my place. 2 days later, Swami decided to give Pad Namaskar to all the students from Sri Sathya Sai Vidyapeeth Sri Shailam. As Swami came close, he took my letter, but even as I thought of getting up and asking him, he put his hand on my head. But then Swami moved a little ahead, turned around and then asked me, you were the boy who spoke that day, right? I said, yes, Swami. Then he asked me, what do you want to do after 12th? Medical or engineering? I just said, Swami, medical. Swami said, take bioscience as your major subject and join my school. Get good marks. And he walked ahead. The next academic year, I was a student of the Sri Sathya Sai Higher Secondary School at Prasanthi Nilayam. When we ask for God, everything else we automatically get. We often think that we are stuck in life because we assume that progress lies only in moving the rock. In those couple of years when I was going on pushing my Sri Shailam school rock, I grew physically, mentally, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually, in my yearning and love for Swami. By the way, do you know that PUSH is actually a beautiful acronym too? It stands for Pray Until Something Happens. So let's keep praying and more importantly, let's keep pushing. Thank you. Jai Sai Ram.
Om Jai Jagadish Hare Swami Satya Sai Hare Bhakta Jana Samrakshak Bhakta Jana Samrakshak Pati Maheshwara हरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपदान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे मातपिता गुरुदैवमु मरि अन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरि अन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्रशयन ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी हो साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति 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 जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय
ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्।